one of the really great features about polls is that you can go in through the chat without starting it, so you can have it all set up before you begin. You can see that you can't see poll. You can actually just press create a poll down here, or what I like to do is I come up here and I click on polls and it brings it up for me. It's asking me to get interactive, get started. You'll see that you have got some recommendation ones down the side. You can always edit those. Up here, you've got to start a new poll. Then choose what type of poll. It might be word cloud. Describe your weekend in one word. And then you can save it as a draft. You'll see that there are more choices down here if you would like. You see that it's got names. You can choose to add the names and record, but it's only visible to the presenters in the app, which obviously when you're working with young people is just you. And then you can save as a draft. And again, you can write more questions up again. And you'll see that the draft is there. So just to show you, if I go out of this meeting, and if I come back in again, you will see, if I'm in through the chat, if I can come up here, I can have a look at my polls and you'll see that my draft poll is there. Now it will not launch and it will go to the side once you open up your meeting. They will not sit there in the middle. I could add another poll. I could add rating. I could add ranking. That's the one where they can actually move the items around. But we've got the multiple choice here. And it might be what weather do you like better? Just as an example, you might be cold, hot. Now, why am I doing it as a poll and not as a quiz? There are quizzes, you can do quiz. I just like that there's no wrong answer. And again, you can save it as a draft, you can choose. You'll see that you have all the different choices there. Obviously, there's no written one, but it's a really great way to use HITs to gain information on whether you might need to go over a concept again, or you might need to review it, or they may already have a great handle on it. Again, and you just save as a draft.